All right, I'm doing my little film. We about to get this going for the girls, the young ladies of today. This is gonna be so fun.
I don't believe in them. I went to cosmetology school that teaches about them and stuff. But anything that I have to apply to a person's brain is chemicals. So they want you to put gloves on to apply it. So you want me to save my hands and put it on this person's head.
You can't scratch like 2 weeks.
Yeah, so that's not good. Like, okay, yeah, keep some gloves on, but eat it. You get what I'm saying? Like, that's not, and it's the most sensitive part of your body, your head. Really, you don't want to lose your head. And back, just a little Black history, lie. That's what slave masters used to really use to punish Black women. Back in the day, they used to stick our head in a bucket of lye, and it would burn.
So having a good routine both for your hair, for your face, and for your body, like the skin on your body, is actually important to your overall health as well. Because we can absorb things through the skin.
And one thing that Sequoyah is really great about is skincare. Sequoyah, you want to tell us what you're doing over here?
I am doing, it don't really take much for, for everyday look. Some good brows, some good lashes, and you good to go. That's me. But I just did her brows and applied her some lashes, which you see it didn't take me no time. But that's what a lot of young women love. They love some good brows and some good lashes. So, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So,
And then that's the person's situation, right? So like for instance, I have a friend who has taken pills for like 10 years, and pills really, really work for her. She's a very OCD kind of type person, so she's really good at remembering and texting every day, and so that's good for her, right? Okay. Got these parts, you need to know these parts, okay? So just how the period underwear works, and basically it's specially formulated to have multiple layers. And so how sometimes you have a pad on and you can feel kind of just like that squishy feeling. That's why I switched it up, because I hate that sensation. Walking around or moving or sitting down, you feel like I'm sitting on, like you feel it. And so the whole purpose of this, you have this top layer that wicks away the liquid, so the whole person